This is Alyssa, and I'm going to teach you how to complete the sound symbol relationships activity. Okay, so I've opened up the activity in Google Docs, and now I'm ready to follow the directions. So for round 1, I see it says, read each letter in the top row and say the letter name. Type each letter in the bottom row and say the letter sound. Record your voice using the Snagit extension. The Snagit extension looks like this. I can find it in the top right corner of my browser. I'm going to click the Snagit extension to open it. I'm going to say no thanks. And you should get a toolbar that looks like this. I'm going to come down here to video and record my screen. Okay, I'm going to pick the entire screen and hit share. This message shows at the bottom of my screen, which lets me know that I am being recorded. Now I'm going to complete the round 1 activity. Read each letter in the top row and say the letter name. Okay, B, M, H, W. Type each letter in the bottom row and say the letter sound. B, M, H, W. Now I'm going to come down to round 2. The directions say, read each letter in the top row and say a word that starts with that letter sound. Say the name of each picture below and move it into the bottom row according to the beginning sound. Record your voice using the Snagit extension. Okay, I'm still recording, so I'm going to start. B, like ball. M, like mat. H, like hallway. W, like waterfall. Now I'm going to move the pictures into the correct beginning sound. This is a web. W, w. It goes over here. This is a ball. B, b. B. This is a monkey. Monkey. This is a hat. Hat. Okay, now I'm done. I followed all the directions. So I'm going to stop recording by hitting the stop sharing button. And then I'm going to get a screen that looks like this. I need to name my video. I'm going to name it my name so I can send it to my teacher later. Homework. Okay, then I hit enter and my video is saved in my Google Drive. I'm going to hit the X to come back out. And now I'm finished. Thank you.